Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this kit, this scratch eraser kit. So this is from Meguiar since 1901, clear coat safe, scratch eraser kit, fine scratches and blemish remover for your car. Quickly erases light imperfections. So it uses a drill. So it attaches to a drill. Kit contains ScratchX formula, 4 scratch eraser drill mounted pad, 4-inch, and microfiber towel. So use your drill to erase blemishes, light scratches, finger, nail marks. Ooh, scuff and paint transfer. This is what I need. Here's the back. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. Cool, let's get into it. Ooh, nice standard drill attachment pad. Very nice. Nice bright orange microfiber. Very nice. And that's it. And the formula, Meguiar's ScratchX, fine scratch and blemish remover with polymer protection, 4 ounce. Yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. Let me know if this worked on your car. And yeah, again, drop the link in the video description on where you can get this from. Hope you are doing well. Catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.